In a world cluttered with possessions and commitments, finding peace can be a challenge. A Zen garden offers a sanctuary, a place to escape the everyday chaos and reconnect with inner peace. Inspired by traditional Japanese gardens, Zen gardens are not just about aesthetics. They are about creating a space that calms the mind and nourishes the soul. These gardens are characterized by minimalism, using a few carefully chosen elements to create a sense of balance and harmony. Unlike traditional gardens filled with colorful flowers and lush greenery, a Zen garden emphasizes simplicity. The use of rocks, sand, and minimalist plants invites contemplation and quiet reflection. Creating your own Zen garden is a journey of self-discovery, a chance to design a space that reflects your inner peace. Each element, from the placement of rocks to the raking of the sand, contributes to the overall sense of tranquility and balance. As you embark on this creative process, remember that your Zen garden is a reflection of your own inner sanctuary. Rocks are the backbone of a Zen garden, representing mountains and islands amidst a tranquil sea of sand. Their size, shape, and placement play a crucial role in creating the desired atmosphere. Choose rocks that speak to you, each one telling a story or evoking a particular feeling. Large, upright rocks can symbolize strength and resilience, while smaller, smoother stones might represent gentleness and tranquility. Arrange them in a way that feels natural and balanced, avoiding symmetry or rigid patterns. The spaces between the rocks are just as important as the rocks themselves, representing the flow of energy or the emptiness that allows for contemplation. Remember, a Zen garden is not about filling every space but about creating a sense of balance and harmony. Sand forms the canvas of your Zen garden, representing the vastness of the sea or the expanse of the sky. Its pristine surface, raked into calming patterns, becomes a focal point for meditation and reflection. Choose a fine-grained sand, preferably white or light-colored, to enhance the sense of peace and serenity. The act of raking the sand is a meditative practice in itself. Use a simple wooden rake to create flowing lines and circular patterns, symbolizing ripples of water or the movement of clouds. The repetitive motion can be incredibly calming, helping to quiet the mind and release tension. As you rake the sand, allow yourself to let go of worries and anxieties. Embrace the simplicity of the moment, finding peace in the repetitive motion and the pristine beauty of the raked patterns. Section 4. Green Serenity. Choosing the right plants. While rocks and sand form the foundation of a Zen garden, minimalist plants add a touch of life and vibrancy. Choose plants that embody the principles of Zen simplicity, elegance, and a connection to nature. Avoid plants with bright colors or showy blooms. Instead, opt for varieties with muted tones and simple forms. Mosses, ferns, and evergreen grasses are all excellent choices, adding subtle texture and a sense of tranquility. When placing plants, consider their growth habits and mature size. You want them to complement the overall design without overwhelming the space. Remember, a Zen garden is about finding beauty in simplicity. A single, well-placed plant can have a more profound impact than a dozen competing for attention. Section 5. Maintaining your oasis. Minimal effort, maximum impact. One of the beauties of a Zen garden is its low-maintenance nature. Once you have created your design, maintaining it requires minimal effort. Regularly rake the sand to maintain its pristine appearance and to prevent weeds from taking root. Trim plants as needed to maintain their shape and prevent them from overwhelming the space. The key to maintaining a Zen garden is to approach it with the same mindfulness and intention that you used to create it. As you rake the sand or tend to the plants, allow yourself to reconnect with the sense of peace and tranquility that your garden embodies. Remember, your Zen garden is a reflection of your own inner sanctuary. By taking the time to care for it, you are also nurturing your own well-being.